Ow!
I'm not sure how to feel about this.
What? What part?
Eye for an eye, huh?
He did it with a full fist. You told me that if a woman is gonna hit a man with a closed fist, that she deserves to get hit like a man. And I think that
He's 2.
it should be an equivalent for a baby. He punched the mommy in the face with a full fist, so he got a little bit of a nose slap.
He doesn't even care.
What?
I said he doesn't even care.
Nipple, 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 judy, judy, judy. Why are your what is that issue on your eyebrow? Is this eyebrow red? Or is it like a shadow?
Probably where you hit him in the face at.
Doesn't it seem really red right here? Did that hurt? Is it swollen?